only thing here which is cool is the look. Guys, welcome back to yet another new vlog. And right now I'm here with the Goan Classic, the all new Goan Classic. I'm gonna show you how it is built, the designs, the style. So okay guys, this is it. Let me know the first impression. This is the first look, and actually I love it, to be very frank. The look is great. So this is the BS6 powered and 20 bhp, torque will be like 27. This is the dual discs with the ABS, and the tire size is like 130. So here is the look, the tank, and it's written very well. This is one of the unique. And coming to the engine, you can see this engine is the same as of the classic 350. The modification they have done on the look is great. The writings, the fonts they have used in the tank as well as the sides. Baki, you can see the seat, it is like a floating seat. Yes, after the mudguard look, so let's come to the shock absorbers. This is the same like of the classic 350. These indicators are also unique. This is the new indicators. These are actually used in the new classics, also in the Goan. The ground clearance, let me show you over here. Yes, it is good, 170. Just came to know. So yes, overally it is a go. Baki, what to say? The Goan Classic is like a Bobo style motorcycle based on the classic 350, but it has lot of things unique. Coming to the styling, the color, and a lot more, like I said you earlier also. The design of the bike is quite striking, and it has a teardrop shaped fuel tank. The curved fenders also gives a great look. The headlights also, like you can see, is completely LED. The only thing here which is cool is the look. Baki sab to engine and all the same 350cc. The chassis also the same. This handle we got it upright like we used to watch in the Hollywood movies, in the Western culture. କେମିତି ଲାଗୁଛି? ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି। କୋଉ ଜିନିଷଟା ଜାଣି ଶୁଣି କହୁଛି ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି, ତା ମନରେ କିନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ। କୋଉ ଜିନିଷଟା ୟାର ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି ମତେ ତ ଏଇ ଷ୍ଟାଇଲଟା ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି, ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଲଟା ଯୋଉ କିଛିଟା ନୂଆ ଜିନିଷ ଦେଇଛି, ତମ କ୍ଲଚ୍ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଯୋଉ ହବ, ଏଗୁରା ସବୁ ହବ ଠିକ। ୟାକୁ ଛାଡ, ମତେ କେବଳ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଲ ପ୍ରତି କିଛି ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଲ ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ, କିଛି ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିବନି। ପୁରୁଣା କାଳିଆ ମଡେଲ ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ, ସିଧା ମିଟିଅର ଆଉ ୟା ଦେହରେ କିଛି ଫରକ ରହିବ। ହଁ, ସେଇ ଲାଗି ସେ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଲଟା ଉପରକୁ କରିଲା। ମିଟିଅର କାରଣ ଇଞ୍ଜିନ ତ ସମାନ। ମିଟିଅର ତ ଫାୟାରବୁଲ ଲାଇନ କି ପଳଉନା, ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ରେସ୍ ନାହିଁ, ଇଏ ନାହିଁ, ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ରେସ୍ ନାହିଁ, ଏଟା ଉପରକୁ କରିଦେଇକି ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ଷ୍ଟାଇଲ କରିଛି, ଯେମିତି ଏଫଜେଡ୍ ହେଇନି। ହଁ, ପଛପଟ ଉପରେ ରହିଲେ କଣ ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ? ଦେଖୁନ ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ ଜିନିଷ ସିଏ ଲୁକିଂ ଆସୁଛି, ଇଏ ଲୁକିଂର କଣ ଫରକ? ଏଟା କ୍ଲାସିକ ଗୁଡ଼ା ନାଇଁ। ଆ ଲୋକ ଗୋଟେ ଡିଜାଇନ, ଇଏ ଦେଖ ଭାଇ, ସବୁ ଡିଜାଇନ ନେଇକି ଗୋଆନ କ୍ଲାସିକ ହେଇଛି କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ? ଗୋଆରେ ଚଲେଇବା ପାଇଁ। ସେଠିକା ଲୋକ ଟିକେ ଯେଉଁ ଫରେନ୍ ୱେଷ୍ଟର୍ଣ୍ଣ କଲଚର, ତାଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ ଯେଉଁ ଉପରକୁ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଲରେ ସେଠି କ୍ରୁଜିଂ କରିବେ। ହଁ, ଗୋଆରେ ଯେଉଁ ସମୁଦ୍ର କୂଳ ସାଇଡ଼ରେ ଯେଉଁ ନଡ଼ିଆ ଗଛ ଲାଗିଛି, ସବୁ ନିଜ ନିଜ ବାଟରେ ଚଲେଇଲେ, ହାତଟା ଉପରକୁ ରହିଲା, ଗୋଟେ ଭାଇବ୍ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ ହେବ ଆଉ। ହଉ ଚାଲ। So this is it guys. One more thing, do let me know which is your favorite 350cc segment or RE motorcycle. Is it the Goan Classic, the Meteor 350, the Classic all new, or the Bullet? How did you feel? Do you like it or not? Let me know in the comments.